Meet Clark. Clark is looking to sell his home, but it needs a lot of work. Clark isn't a handyman and doesn't want to deal with paying for and overseeing a bunch of home repairs. He'd rather sell his property as is and not endure the usual hassles that come with working with a real estate agent, like prep work, repairs, and costly fees. Clark contacted Very Fast Home Buyers, a local home buying company in Houston, Texas. It's a trusted business that helps homeowners sell their homes quickly, regardless of its condition. The process is easy. Just call or submit your property details and they'll schedule an appointment. During your appointment, they'll discuss the process for the property with you and then make a fair cash offer. Finally, once you accept the offer, you can pick your closing date. Very Fast Home Buyers is a quick and efficient way to sell your home on your terms. Within a few short days, Clark sold his house and had a generous check in hand, all without lifting a finger on home repairs, making it showroom ready for open houses or stressing over whether a potential buyer will fall through. Ready to sell your home? Give us a call now at 713-322-0329 or learn more online at veryfasthomebuyers.com.